Welcome to Intellify. How do humans make use of special sense organs of dogs? The relationship between humans and dogs is centuries old. Humans pet many animals like cows, pigs, hens, etc. for making their life comfortable, but dogs always top the priority list. Dogs are considered humans' best friend because of their loyalty. Humans show their affection by different methods, like cuddling them, petting them softly on the back, and providing them their favorite food and many more. A word of caution: maintain the direct contact with only those dogs that know you or trust you. Sometimes dogs analyze these gestures as a threat and end up biting you in a defense. Now the question arises: how do dogs show love and affection towards their owners? This speechless animal is a master in showing love to their owners by doing many trivial things, like wagging their tails that signals dogs are happy and excited. Eye contact with their owner releases the love hormones from the brain, which shows attachment, but doing same with unknown dog might put you in trouble. Licking, jumping, and following are their way to show that they missed you and are excited to see you. Dogs have 5 sense organs just like humans. Some of them are highly developed as compared to humans. Humans make use of highly developed sense organs of dogs in various fields. Smell. Smell is regarded as one of the strongest sense organs in dogs. It has been estimated that a dog's estimated sense of smell is more than 100,000 times as powerful as humans. Humans use this sense organ of dogs for tracking missing persons, tracing toxic substances, tracing drugs, and last but not the least, pick up a smell from explosives. Olfactory lobe, the smell center in the brain, is varied from one breed of dogs to other breeds. Breeds that have mastered this task are German Shepherd and Bloodhound. Hearing. Hearing is another sense organ in dogs, which is 4 times more powerful than humans. Dogs' ears are designed in such a way that it gathers more sound waves, which makes them locate distant objects more accurately than any other animals. It can shut off the inner ear to filter distancing sound and focus on the main source of sound. It helps police to solve many cases related to kidnapping. Dogs can detect their owner in a large crowd by identifying their voice. Touch. Sense of touch is the first sense that a dog develops when it's born. It helps to grow a bond between dogs and humans. Humans have to learn about the sensitive spots of dogs so that they can impart training and teach them the difference between right and wrong. Sight. Sight in dogs are not stronger as compared to other sense organs. Their precision and detection of movement is significant, and they are great at seeing at night. Police use dogs to probe into the evidence during nighttime. Taste. Taste in dogs is not well developed. There are many researches going on which would prove humans' encouragement might influence a dog's problem-solving ability. Collaboration between dogs and humans could do wonders. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, subscribe to Intellify.